You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? We are looking at how to pronounce this word. Quite in season, isn't it? More videos for you here, or soon, to learn more correct pronunciations. 2 different ways of pronouncing it. Autumn is how the British would say it in British English. Autumn. Stress on the first syllable. Autumn. Okay? Now, in American English, it's rather said fall. That's how the Americans call the season, fall. But if they would pronounce this word, they'd say it as autumn. Autumn, okay, autumn or autumn. Quite different. And now you know. More videos for you here. To learn more, I'll see you there. Thanks for watching. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.